Hi there, and welcome to the community of Lake Orion, Michigan, where living is vacation. Today, there is an event that local realtors and myself are holding open 9 open houses. They are all lakefront and all located in Lake Orion. Today, you're going to get an exclusive look at 5 of those great properties. I hope you enjoy. Today, we are at my listing in Lake Orion at 553 Central Drive. This home is located on the All Sports Lake Orion. It has 82 feet of frontage and it is just over 3,500 square feet. My favorite features about this home are the park located right across the street, the ample parking, and the open concept kitchen, dining, and living room. And of course, the lake views.
Welcome. My name is Sandra Wood. I'm with Remax Defined in Oakland Township, and today I am holding open this beautiful 4,000 square foot mansion on Lake Indianwood in Orion Township. The house was built in 1920. It has been completely updated throughout. It features 200 feet of lake frontage, beautiful lake frontage on serene Indianwood Lake. We have a 3-car attached garage, a newly added atrium great room addition, a spacious master bath. We've got heated floors in the house, 4 custom fireplaces, a gourmet. If you're looking for your vacation up north home and you only want to drive a half an hour, please call me. This house is spectacular. It's one of a kind. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Linda Donaldson from Coldwell Banker Weir Manual. We're here on beautiful, peaceful Indianwood Lake to showcase this fabulous home, 1131 Nokomis Trail. It is currently listed at $684,900. It is a 3,300 square foot ranch walkout with 4 bedrooms and 3 full 1/2 bath. There's probably too many fabulous features to mention here, so I hope you'll take the time to come look at this wonderful home, and thanks so much for your time.
Hi there, this is Michelle Scheinling from Heritage Real Estate. I'm super excited to show you 1175 Arbor Oak Way in Lake Orion. This is a beautiful waterfront property with over 65 feet on the water on Lake Orion. This house is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2,580 square feet, and has a beautiful sandy beach, a wonderful dock, and a fire pit right out at the lake. A few of my favorite things about this property, aside from the awesome waterfront, are the awesome huge great room with a big 14-foot picture window looking out at the water, a giant gourmet kitchen, and an enormous beautiful dining area that's surrounded by glass and views of the water. If you're interested in this property, give me a call. Thanks.
Hi, Emer Kenny here with Emerald Property Team. I'm very excited to announce our lakefront listing at 81 Franklin Wright Boulevard. That is the shores of Long Lake, which of course subdivision is right on Long Lake, and this home has a private dock leading right to the water where you can have your pontoon or even your motorboat because it's an all sports lake. In addition to the lake, we have a beach just up the road, just a few doors down, and the home is just walking distance from downtown Lake Orion. We have great schools in the area, and this subdivision is a great neighbourhood for families. So come check it out, 81 Franklin Wright Boulevard, presented by Emerald Property Team.